Right here I have an 8-pack of this awesome shoe storage display to keep your shoes nice and clean. Now check out how cool this is. This is going to be the black and the clear model. So it's going to have black on the outside. It's not going to be a tinted, it's actually going to be completely black, so you won't be able to see the shoes from the side, but that's why this has the side profile. It has the clear plastic on the outside, so you can actually open this up. There's going to be magnets on each side, so it's really easy. Locks really nice. There's a really nice cutout hole, and that's also going to be for a vent too. So your shoes are going to be able to breathe and they won't get moldy or stinky. They can actually ventilate through there. And it's also sealed on the outside, so it's going to keep away dust, dirt, and grime, keeping your shoes safe. So inside, this holds a size 13 shoe for a boy and a 14 for a girl. You can see my shoes come right out, really easy, really nice to put in. Most of the shoe boxes I see online, you're putting the shoes in this way, so you can't actually see them. So this shoe box design is going to be nice for displaying the shoes. You can see I have 8 different shoes all the way through here, and it's very easy for me to see exactly which shoe I want to grab, and I can just go ahead and grab that. These are going to be very high quality, and they also come with these tabs on them as well, so you can lock them together up and down, so you can actually like pick them up and move them, and they're all connected. So it is going to come with those components. I think this is going to be perfect if you're a shoe collector and you want to have a really nice shoe storage display in your house, in your closet, in your bedroom. You can actually put these underneath your bed as well. Or if you're just somebody that just wants to keep your shoes nice, these are going to be absolutely perfect as well. I highly recommend these if you're looking for the shoe storage. These are the ones you want. Add them to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.